Imagine a place where nature's healing powers meet luxury, a destination that promises not just relaxation, but a profound reconnection with the Earth's ancient energies. That's the bold vision behind the $50 million revival of Waiwera Thermal Springs, a project that's been shrouded in anticipation since the site's closure 7 years ago. But here's where it gets exciting. After years of waiting, the concept design has finally been unveiled, and it's nothing short of transformative. The plan, spearheaded by Waiwera Thermal Springs Property LP, aims to resurrect this historic geothermal site into a world-class wellness haven. Resource consent for the project is set to be filed with Auckland Council on December 1st, marking a significant step forward. But this isn't just about rebuilding, it's about reimagining. The design includes 28 pools, saunas, reflexology treatments, lush gardens, scenic walks, and elegant pavilions, all designed to honor the area's geothermal heritage and native landscape. And this is the part most people miss. Waiwera's story is deeply intertwined with its history and cultural significance. Open in various forms since the 1800s, the site closed in 2018 and was demolished in 2023. Now the revival is being guided by a partnership with Ngati Manyahuri, the iwi with ancestral ties to the land. Their relationship with the land and its geothermal waters has been central to the project's vision from the very beginning. As Brandon Badagal, director of Waiwera Thermal Springs, puts it, "We recognize this land and water as part of a living Wakapapa." But here's where it gets controversial. While the project promises to bring significant social and economic benefits to the region, with projections of over 310,000 visitors and $300 million in revenue in its first 5 years, some may question the balance between development and preservation. Auckland Mayor Wayne Brown has thrown his full support behind the proposal, calling it a welcome investment. But what do you think? Is this the right way to honor a natural treasure? Or does it risk commercializing something sacred? Badagal emphasizes that the project is designed to be a place of genuine replenishment, where wellness grows from nature. "We've taken the utmost care to deliver a plan that honors the environment," he says. But as the consent process moves forward and the mineral-rich hot pools prepare to reopen, the question remains: can a modern wellness destination truly stay connected to its roots? "We want visitors to come for the calm and stay for the connection," Badagal adds. But in a world of fast-paced tourism, is that even possible? What's your take? Does this revival strike the right balance? Or is it a step too far? Let us know in the comments. This is a conversation that's just getting started.